Hello?
Hello.
No, we have the kiss.
Well, we were doing that anyway.
Drew, whenever you come over next week.
Hey guys, it's Elma. So today I will be doing a pen pal with me video. I am making a letter for my wonderful pen pal Marie. As you can see, this is the letter that she sent me and it's so adorable. And she added a bunch of cute extras as well. So I decided to put some extra effort into this letter and I thought, why not make a YouTube video out of it?
You love me?
So yeah, I really hope you enjoy and let's get started. I printed out some cute pictures of 17, since they are both of our alts, and I'm just cutting those out. And once that's done, I'm just looking for some memo pads that fit the
Only there was a
theme.
way to not be hot anymore.
What?
As you can see, I'm also grabbing some sticky notes that fit the theme so that I can use those for decorating the envelope later.
Next to me.
And now I'm looking for letter paper to use. I ended up going with this purple, pink, blue theme, and I also grabbed a matching envelope. And now it's time to start decorating the letter.
Alright, I just want to say they saved the best till last.
Oh, who's after you?
Alright, so this is what I ended up going with. I added some stickers and washi tape later, but first I am just folding the envelope. Alright, so now I am hand lettering her name on a different piece of paper, just so I'm sure that the colors will match. I figured that the colors were actually a little bit too harsh, so I decided to layer this clear piece of paper over it to make it a bit softer. And now I am decorating the matching envelope. I actually decided to use this for the extras instead of the letter itself, since it was a little bit too small. Next, I am writing the questions. Alright, so now it's time to answer the questions that she sent me. Alright, so now I am making a playlist for her with some song recommendations. And now I am just collecting all of the extras, such as photo cards, stickers, as well as washi samples and memo pads. I do want to give a little disclaimer that you really don't have to add so many extras. Honestly, it's about the time and effort you put into your letter, and I'm sure your pen pal will be happy regardless. So yeah, you really don't have to add all of the stickers and all of the photo cards. It's basically optional. Alright, so instead of just using washi tape to seal the envelope, I decided to use a wax sealing stamp. I've always wanted to try this, but I never knew where I could get these products, and Craspire were so kind to send me these, so yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. A little disclaimer, this video isn't sponsored, they just sent me these products to try them out, so yeah. It was actually my very first time trying it out. I've never done this before. So yeah, as you'll see later, it turned out kind of wonky, but honestly, it's still really cute and I'm so happy with the product. As you can see, the wax kind of started dripping down since the envelope was so full, so for next time I know to avoid that. But regardless, it turned out so pretty, and yeah, I really like how it works, so if you are interested in these products, I will put a link to their website in the description, and you can use my code TruthBTS5 for 5% off of your order. So now let's move on to decorating the envelope. I actually chose a bigger envelope this time since I had a lot of stuff to put in, but it turned out really cute. And here's how everything turned out. I honestly think it turned out so cute, and yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a long one, but if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. Once again, you can check out Craspire using the link in my bio, and you can use my code for 5% off of your order. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!